Kubli pi maro ki parlok yang ningan wala biang pi khubor laitkam makbayadi bat ka scheme samagra siksha abhiyan kebangi jutip ka SSA yule se bunap deng jungi ki bangi shifting ba ka SSA kan sa kutno ndai kerpat pi ba watnum ting watnum smi ya kata ka jing kutno jong kan ka SSA kat ba ka sorkar kadang ailat yangi kadang penmi ya ki kam te subha ban thep kanang ba kan long ka jing mentoy yang ayo pihi lada ngiyo bantri hakum gani ka scheme SSA te parlo ngan puli pi mentai gani ka khubor laitkam akabayadi bat ka SSA chapo is garuhil SSA is garuhil district recruitment 2024 notification. The Office of the District Mission Coordinator Samagra Siksha Abhiyan or SSA is Garohil William Nagar invites application in standard form for the following posts on the contractual basis. The application deadline is 15th of March 2024 and the number of posts: number 1 post name data entry operator, number of posts 1 place of posting Samada BRC, salary 8,000 per month. Essential qualification class 12 or graduate with 1 year diploma in computer science or PGDCA or BCA or MCA from a recognized university with good knowledge in MS package. And number 2 post name block resources person, number of posts 2 place of posting Rongjang BRC or block resources coordinator, and the salary 20,493 per month. Essential qualification graduates with BEd or diploma in elementary education or DLEd with 2 years of teaching experience with 45% marks in class 12. So nakabanda post BRP lane BRC pade pide ban pass ya graduate bat ke BEd lane DLEd bat ka number of post kan di atali bat ka jaka kan di hapo Rongjang parlok subha ban simkhia ya kani ka kam kanang ba pinyo ya kalat ban tre kamtam ya gitu ki bompat don kam don jam. Number 3 post name block resource person, i.e. for children with special needs CWSN. Number of post 1 place of posting Rongjang BRC, salary 20,493 per month. Essential qualification RCI registration is mandatory. Any graduates with a BEd special education or BEd general with a 2 years diploma or PGDP in special education with 45% mark in class 12. Preference will be given to those candidates having a minimum experience of 2 years in the field concerned. Number 4 post name social science teacher. Number of post 1 for female, place of posting Samanda KGBV, and salary 20,000 per month. Essential qualification graduate or postgraduate with BEd or DLEd and mtet with 45% marks in class 12. Age limit and reservation will be as prescribed by the government of Meghalaya. There will be no age bar for candidates who are already employed under government societies or organizations that are either supported by the state or central government. That means age limit kan dena du khatpra hadu life arts nem. So bahaban apply nak mutakan ka post John kinohi kai social science nak mutaki kan thay. How to apply for SSA East Garo Hill Recruitment 2024, like DEO, Block Resource Person, Social Science Teacher. Interested candidate may apply or submit their application in standard form along with attested copies of academic and professional qualification, experience certificates, and other relevant documents with 2 passport size photographs duly attested by the Office of the District Mission Coordinator, District Unit, SSA Simam, Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan, East Garo Hill, William Nagar. The application deadline is 15th of March 2024. Original documents are to be produced at the time of the interview. Selection criteria, date, time, and venue will be intimated later. So friends, kita ki post ki balai na kabentak SSA hapo East Garo Hill hup hila sutu ban lada don jingkli pila ban komen yang hapo description box kuli shubun.